How to add multiple contact at once to a list on HubSpot. To add multiple contact at once to a list, first of all, navigate to the contacts section. Right now, once you go to the here CRM, now go to the contacts section, list in your HubSpot accounts. So I've already did here. So for example, click on the name of your list you want to add contact. So for example, this is it. So I'll just go and click on here the name on it. Right now, automatically it will redirect to this page here. Now you can select individual contact by checking the boxes next to the name, or select all contacts by clicking the checkbox in the top left side corner. Now here you can see on the left side, you can fill up all this information, or just go and click on contacts add. And once you just go and click on add here, existing, so for example I like this one, so I'll just go and click on save. Right, and once I do the save in the contacts, it will show up. Right, you can add as many as you want. After for example, if you want to add all at once, go and click on add here. Now here it will show each and everything. Make sure you can short it up, and then make sure you select this, right? And just by searching each and everything and click on save, now everything is added at all at once. So this is how we can do so. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.